your perception, you can say. That is a CEP question for you, my beloved students. Right? So here I would like to stop here as far as just we are discussing. Now it is 9:31. We are discussing about your this one, right? Now let me have answers from your CEP questions and also your assignment topics. Let me download your attendance at present. Now there is one monkey here. Soumik Ray is a monkey, but this monkey is very beautiful, right? Can I see Soumik Ray? Monkey behind the face or face behind monkey? Soumik Ray. Can I see your beautiful face? Are you able to hear me? Sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Later I will be taking you attendance at least once in a month. We should take attendance so that we will be seeing you personally, because there are so many intelligent people, right? Of course, my students are not such intelligent like Bin Laden, misusing the technology, right? Otherwise, if this can be on, but we don't know who is there behind. Okay, so we'll be taking a personal attendance also once. You can decide yourself. Shall I take today or in the next class? It is up to you. That's why I kept your printed copy also with me. That we do that, no problem. Acha. So your attendance is downloaded once more over. Right. So any queries? Now you can any queries. Now you ask any queries, and then your assignment topics list. You put your list here. Otherwise, students, as per roll number, we will take that as per roll number from beginning or from the end, whatever. It is up to you. Or one person from the beginning and one person from the end. There are so many ways, right? You decide yourself. So as per this roll number, we take up the assignment topic. We take up assignments already decided. Assignments already decided by the students. Now that Word file, you can put it here. Word file to be uploaded or shared by your class representative, CR. Your class representative or anybody. Yes. There is one good question. Now, Satvik, you unmute yourself and ask. Satvik. Are you able to
Yes,
hear my voice, Satvik?
yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. You unmute and ask. Meanwhile, I will take your attendance in person. All people will be showing their face and giving their attendance.
Sir, I cannot understand that design properly. So can you please explain once? BGK4B panel. BGK4B.
BGK4B panel at this stage, this is sufficient. Anybody else want to give answer to him? Anybody who understood? Anybody? Yogita madam? Yastani Uday? Jasmine? Deepak? Ayush? Nigam? Mayank? Gagan? Souvik? Anybody want to give answer to the question by Satvik? Satvik, you ask your answer once again. Question. Satvik.
Yes, sir. Sir, BGK4B panel. Design.
Who is answering this?
Design.
Yes. Everybody understood. So now one person will answer this. Who will answer this? This one along with CEP1 answer, along with our Satvik question to be answered by our beloved students. Students who understood. Otherwise, nobody has understood, and I should appreciate our Satvik. Anybody?
Sir,
Yes, Yogita madam. Tell.
sir, panels are designed according to the incubation period of a
Very
coal,
good. Excellent.
and
Excellent.
the dimensions are taken according to coal mine regulations.
Very good. Nice. Then anything more? I'm showing that panel figure here. Where is your panel? Yes. Then Satvik, this is 4B. Satvik, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So let us go further. Then to your assignment topics. So it is very simple. Any panel size is decided. You note down, everybody to note, based on the technology used, and ultimately that should be extracted, as our Yogita madam said very nicely. I appreciate her. She understood nicely, right? Very nicely she said that it should be extracted within the incubation period. As far as BGK4B panel is concerned, now this period is about 8 to 9 months. Already I told you for that mining condition, but that changes from typical panel to panel also. As I showed you, there is some fault and all, as I have shown already here, fault plane right here, right? This may also happen that are because of even implementation of the technology of inertization of the GOF. If GOP is not properly inertized, you note down something more here. Everybody, my beloved students, right? So with carbon dioxide and then nitrogen flushing, we were inertizing that, and that inertization, had it been perfect, there could have been no fire, and we would have continued to work for some more time, extracting the total part of the pillar also. Now I think you got some more information or not? Satvik, Yogita madam, you both should unmute and tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Very nice. So I appreciate Satvik for raising a very good, genuine doubt, and for the answer given by Yogita madam, so that I have given something more information since you asked something. And Acha, just now Sauvik asked or who? Satvik. Okay, whoever. Acha. Then now assignment topics, give the list here. Shall I go by your topics, because I have your list of assignments already which we have given to you. I can go one by one for some time. Let us see UCMM assignments already we decided. So I am sharing you starting from 1. Now shall I, are you able to see the slide here, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Now, shall we go from the beginning, or what is that? Thandin Wangchuk, what is your assignment? Thandin is absent.
Sir.
You are absent?
No,
Present.
sir. Present,
You
sir.
should.
Yes, sir.
Also your attendance and then topic. Right. Thandin, what is your topic? Show your face. No, your face is not
Sir.
visible. Very nice. Good.
Sir,
Beautiful.
sir, I'll tell my topic in 5 minutes, sir. Can you start
Achha,
from the...
5 minutes. 5 minutes is his topic. I am typing it here. Next, this should have been done by your CRs and somebody who is active enough to be called as a good underground coal mining engineers. Long back it should have been done. Right. And they should have communicated to me. Gaurav Bhora Sagar. Unmute yourself, show your face and tell your topic. Gaurav
Yes.
Bhora Sagar. Show your face, unmute yourself, tell your topic. Very good.
My topic is coal cutting, sir.
Coal
cutting machine.
Very nice, very nice. Coal cutting. Don't worry, whatever it comes to you, you tell me. Coal cutting. Yes. Next is your Ayush. Unmute, show your topic, tell your topic. If I have somebody absent,
Hello.
I will try absent here. Show your face.
Hello.
Don't worry if you are with makeup or not, it doesn't matter. Like Devanand, Gadi.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. You need not say good morning. Don't waste time. Just tell the topic.
Board and pillar mining, sir.
Board and pillar. Okay. Board and pillar. Next. Chandan. Immediately after that, you should unmute
The
and
choice
then
of mining method.
this is a choice of mining method, right? It shows that he could not comb properly, but he is
Right.
looking beautiful, right? Without combing, beautiful, good. Siddharth.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very nice.
Good morning, sir.
Topic. Don't worry. Don't say good morning, good afternoon. Don't waste time. Just tell the topic, right?
My topic is drilling
Even
in
you should not say
underground
my
mines.
topic is. Just tell the topic, right?
Drilling in underground mines.
Drilling. Okay, drilling. Right. Next,
Underground
Uttam Das.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? By this time, your topic should be with me. Everybody should hear your topic. And they must have seen your beautiful face. Yes.
Choice of mine size and primary development.
Choice of mine size. Okay. Right. Okay. Next. Shiva.
Thank you.
Shiva. Don't say thank you, good morning, so many things. Topic is
Yes, sir.
Just
Sir, I'm
show your
Shivan. My
face, tell the
topic is
topic and I see.
yes, sir. My topic is coal face mechanization.
कोल फेस बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. Face mechanization, that is all. Mechanization. Next, you must be seeing the name here, Shreja. We should finish within, now it is 9:43. Very beautiful, क्या बोलता है जी इसको? हुडा. Right.
My topic is safety.
फिर बोलता है ये topic. Instruction
Safety
समझ
in
लीजिए.
underground mining.
हाँ?
Safety in UG mining.
और एक बार बोलिए.
Sir, safety in UG mining.
अच्छा, anybody else can prompt his voice?
Can I write in the chat?
नहीं, और बोलिए और एक बार.
Sir, safety in underground mining.
Safety, okay. Safety, okay. Next. Now, underground mining is implied. We are talking about underground coal mining. You just tell the topic. Don't say other things, right? Siva Shankar Mishra. Absent. Board and pillar. Okay. Yes. Board and pillar. Next. Tapan. If somebody is absent, don't worry. Tapan.
Sir, blasting and explosion.
Blasting and explosives. Whatever. Blasting is sufficient for us. Okay. Next, Smarak. At least by this, everybody is able to see your beautiful faces. Before you are spelling New Year wishes. Smarak.
Systematic supporting scamp and protective pillars.
Acha. SSR and protective pillar. Protective pillar. Very good. Next. Who is next? There in the list. Jasmine madam, Priya madam. I think she is absent.
Sir, board and
Yes,
pillar.
madam. Huh?
Sir, board and pillar mining.
Board and pillar. This shows how much exercise you have done. You must have told board and pillar in thick seams, or you must have told board and pillar in inclined seam, or board and pillar in multiple seams. You must have told by this time some more things. Don't worry. I know you people are very busy in this COVID-19, helping your beloved parents. I wish that you should help them. Right. Vannapu Reddy Sai Varshit.
Long wall mining.
Very good. Long wall mining. Next.
Sir,
Long wall mining. Next, Sudhan's.
excuse me, sir. Sir, Smarak Patra. Hello,
You
sir.
cannot be excused. Only those persons who are there in the list should talk now. Siddhans. Yes. Your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear. Unmute. Yes, Siddhans.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes,
safety,
yes.
Safety UG mining.
UG mining is implied. Safety कोई और बोल दिया. By this time you should have told. अभी आप तो नींद में है. ठीक है. Safety बोला तो आप बोलना चाहिए. Safety in MCL mines. Safety in more unsafe mines of BCCL. No, I mean to say for others, you should have told safety in BCCL mines, or safety in northeastern coalfields, or safety in Singareni collieries, whatever. You tell now. Yes. Safety in what? Where? Now next, you should think about yourself. When I come for the next round, based on this, now they should tell me now. Coal cutting. Gaurav should tell this is a coal cutting machines in BCCL. Or already you must have gone through so many papers, so much of literature, buckets full of information is there in Google. Pichamoni is there with very good Googles and Dadi providing so much information to us. Okay, you should utilize. He is from our beloved IIT Kharagpur. Okay, right. Anindya Biswas.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Anindya Biswas.
Sir, mine blasting.
Blasting. Already somebody told blasting. Now you should have told now blasting in long wall mining, or blasting in whatever, right? Continuous miner panel, or blasting in board and pillar, or fixing mining.
Long wall mining.
In long wall mining. Blasting long wall mining में करता ही नहीं है, ये करेगा. ठीक है, whatever it is. What right? Next, Ayush. Long wall mining में blasting नहीं होता है जी. Right. Ayush.
Sir, stowing and filling method.
Very
Stowing
good.
and filling method.
Stowing. ठीक है. Okay.
Yes,
Next. Divya Jyoti Mahanti. So all our beloved students see beautiful faces of your colleagues. I don't know whether you are able to talk to them, seeing their face or not before, but at least now you try to see them. Right. Next. And you tell them, you tell me whether the same person is there or not, because I don't know. I have not seen you people. Right. Divya Jyoti. Yes. Topic.
Board and pillar mining.
Now you should have told now. Already I told you. Board and pillar. In that, what is that? Thick seam, thin seam, multiple in BCCL, in ECL, in northeastern coalfield. What is that? Interesting for you. Achha, you belong to which place?
Odisha.
Odisha. So in MCL is interesting for you. Shall I write MCL?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Right. So this is the way I wish you should select. Okay. Nigam. Because you are very much interested in board and pillar. Don't worry. But you try to do something for your mother earth. In your, if you are Odisha, you do something for your Odisha state, our beloved Odisha state. Utkal Janani Jindabad.
Sir,
Nigam.
so special coal mining methods.
Very nice. Yeah, इनका देखिए ना, उसका हेयर कटिंग भी स्पेशल है, राइट? ये इनका है स्पेशल कोल माइनिंग मेथड. वेरी गुड, नाइस. अच्छा कटिंग है आपका, हेयर कटिंग. नाउ जगबंधु.
Roof bolting method.
Roof bolting. Already
Yes.
somebody told. Now here you should tell roof bolting by whatever. Either cable bolt or resin bolt or cement bolt or quick cement, whatever. Or in continuous miner, or in development gallery, or in deep pilloring, or in multiple seam, or in deep seeing, whatever, think over. Next, Avinash. इनका दाढ़ी अच्छा है जी. Next, Avinash.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Long one mining, sir.
Long wall. In that long wall also you can tell so many things. Don't worry, you think over. Next, Chinmaya. Second round जब आएंगे उस समय बताएंगे. हाँ. Chinmaya. Yes. Chinmaya. No, it is unmute. Unmute. Your voice is not coming. Others can also respond and help him. Yogita madam. Jasmine madam.
Selection of mine sites.
हाँ, mine site. ये तो site engineer है. ठीक है, very good. Selection of mine site. Next. हाँ, माजी गापू साईराम साई बाबा. हाँ, बताइए.
Long wall mining and its variant.
Now you belong to which place?
I belong to Hyderabad, sir.
So हैदराबाद में long wall mining नहीं करेंगे आप.
Singareni
You try
में
to select such a topic so that you are doing something for Jai Singareni, Singareni Mata Jindabad, whatever. Right.
Yes.
Long wall mining where? Which mines?
Long
Singareni.
wall and its
SVCL.
variant. Yes, sir.
I know that. But in that also, you will be telling about the 10 years literature, what happened long wall throughout the world, and then giving a case study of some mines. Right. That's what is a philosophy before all that. Everybody will be selecting a case study related to their topics and then telling about 3-4 pages about the case study and then 6-7 pages about the total what is happening in the world. I hope you understood. Okay. Nice.
Yes, sir.
इनका तो बहुत अच्छा है हेयर कटिंग. आप सब लोग तो हमारा बच्चा जैसा है भाई. टेक इट विद दैट स्पिरिट. ठीक है. प्रभात, ये तो DGMS का आदमी है. Our Director General is Prabhat, our beloved student from NIT Rourkela. Your super senior. हाँ, बताइए प्रभात.
That design of board and pillar methods.
ये तो डिजाइन करेगा. ठीक है. कहाँ करेगा भैया? डिजाइन ऑफ BP, बोर्ड एंड पिलर. इनको BP करना आता है. You can also now you select. Okay. Now I am telling you. Now you select some typical mines, something at least coalfield areas. Everybody should say now. Okay. Okay. You think over. मैं अभी बताया. ठीक है. Next
Yes,
is
sir.
Satvik. Because आपका पूरा इंडिया का माइंस आप सबको देना चाहता हूँ अंडरग्राउंड माइंस. ठीक है.
Sir, setting and withdrawal of support.
विड्रायल. हाँ, ये सपोर्ट को पूरा निकाल देगा. ठीक है. विड्रायल ऑफ सपोर्ट. वेरी नाइस. वेरी गुड टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट, अंशु. Anish.
So mining of thick
Be
coal
very
seams.
fast. Right?
Mining of thick coal seams.
Thick coal seams. Very good. Thick coal mining. Okay, it implies thick coal seams. Right. Then Ashutosh. My spelling mistake गलत हो सकता है. Don't worry. Ashutosh. Unmute yourself. Unmute. Ashutosh.
Sir, gathering and transportation of coals.
Gathering and transportation of coal.
Yes, sir.
Acha. So that means transportation of coal. Okay, ultimately देखो कैसा गलती हो गया, हो जाता है. Transportation of coal. Okay. So now we are left with only 6-7 minutes. ये तो सबका टॉपिक लेने में तो टाइम लगेगा. What I do is only since we started taking attendance, let us these topics I think you can decide now and you can provide to me. Now I will take attendance. ठीक है जी. That will be better so that at least 2-3 minutes time I can take. Now just you give only attendance. फटाफट attendance बोलते जाइए and others they will give their topic and send to CR, and then now they will refine the topics so that in the next class when we meet then we will discuss further on the topics. Okay. Now Javed, only thing you show your beautiful face. If he is absent, I will write his absent here. Javed, absent. Is absent. Next, I am copy pasting this absent now. Copy. Is absent. Right. Next is Mahan. Absent? Present? Mahan, you are present? Need not tell the topic now. Okay. You just say yes sir, no sir, whatever. Right? Now I am taking attendance only with your face. Mahan is present. Now Mayank. Mayank is absent?
Yes, sir, I'm present. Yes,
Very
sir,
good.
present.
Next, Pratyush. Pratyush, present? Tell and show your face.
Present, sir.
Now, where is your face?
Sir, can you see?
No,
Sir?
it is not visible.
Sir, my
You
camera
open
is
your
on.
image, video. Very nice. Good. Then Shubham. Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Where
Yes,
is
sir.
Shubham? Right. Next is Nikita. Nikita, madam.
Present, sir.
Very good. Next, Rahul. Meanwhile, you decide
Present,
who is
sir.
summarizing. Rahul, your face. Very nice. Nice, daddy. Next, Yogita. Yogita, madam. Where are
Present,
you?
sir.
Very nice. Next is Yarlagadda Sai
Present,
Bhargav. Jai Sai Ram.
Present, sir.
Very nice. Next is Ankit Kumar. Ankit Kumar. I think everybody is able to see their faces or not? Yes, no?
Present, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody is able to see, right? Good. I want to show everybody, right? Deepak.
Present, sir.
अच्छा करने किया है. हाँ. दीपक, where is
Present,
your
sir.
face? नहीं, दीपक कोई और बोल रहा होगा, मुझे क्या पता है.
Present,
Deepak.
sir.
Deepak is
Present,
absent. No, you are
Sir,
absent.
present, sir. Present, sir.
Where are you? Your face is not visible here.
Sir, my network is not good, so that the camera
like
is
that?
not.
Is
Yes,
it like
sir.
that? I don't know. ठीक है. Next is Ashutosh. लेकिन आपका प्रोफाइल पिक बढ़िया है जी. ये जेम्स बॉन्ड 007 है. जेम्स बॉन्ड मर गया है. Next.
Yes, sir.
Ashutosh.
Yes, sir.
ये तो पूरा सूरज को दिखा रहा है. Good. Next is Rajesh.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next is Gagan. Who is summarizing? Decide yourself.
Yes, sir.
Gagan. Where is your face?
Yes, sir.
Gagan. Achha.
Sir,
Next is Kanaya. Kanaya Yadav from UP.
Present, sir.
Yadav from UP है क्या? ये कहाँ है जी? Right.
Present, sir.
Others they need not show the face. Only those who are giving attendance. Right. Ankit. Next, Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Where are you? Ankit. Next, Daggu Party Prem Kumar. ये वेंकटेश के पास चला गया होगा. Daggu Party वेंकटेश.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Present. Sauvik.
Yes, sir.
Sauvik. Where is Sauvik?
Present, sir.
Next is Lakawat Srikanth.
Sir, present, sir. My cam is not working.
Don't worry. At least others can recognize your voice. I don't know. Because I have not seen you people, right? At least in this year, I want to see you. See you in the sense to make you better. Estari Uday Kiran. Estari Uday Kiran. Very good. ये रेड कलर कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी वाला ठंडा ठंडा में है. राइट. नेक्स्ट. ये अनम्यूट नहीं कर पाया. डोंट वरी. नेक्स्ट इज प्रेमजीत. प्रेमजीत. ये प्रेमजीत. लव विक्ट्री. I think his name is Love Victory or Victory Love. VLLV whatever. LV Prasad Eye Institute कहाँ है जी? Victory Love. He is absent. I am putting him absent. Am I right? Anybody want to respond on him, about him? He is absent. Okay. Right. Then Karthik Kant Raman. Karthik Kant Raman. I think now it should be last minute. Who is ready to summarize? Let them summarize now. My beloved students. Summarize. Anybody want to summarize? Okay, Karthik is also absent.
Sir,
Now,
sir,
now I saved this.
Sir, my name is not there.
my name
Anyways.
is not there.
So I don't know why it is not there. And your names you write down there. Okay. And this I saved it as attendance. And don't worry. Now let us go to your summary. Anybody interested to summarize? Summarize in 30 seconds. Summarize. Otherwise 0 to all for summary. And today I tried to show you about the development of stratified deposits, the development with reference to GDK11 incline, where blasting gallery method is being practiced. I showed all the total mine, how it was developed into panels, and then size of that pillar, detail of that development as a part of module 1 in this lecture number 6 on 28th December. And I am very happy that there was no disturbance, although there is a power failure in total Odisha, in Rourkela, in our campus. And we should appreciate our Dean, Professor P.K. Sahu Saab, made a very good alternative arrangement. Otherwise, there was some problem in the previous class. And dhanyavad to your parents. They could provide you a continuous power behind your intelligence, and help them. And all the best, my beloved students. And take care of COVID-19. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. बाद में क्या बोलना चाहिए? My beloved students.
जय NIT राउरकेला.
जय NIT राउरकेला. जय उत्कल जननी.
Bande Utkal Janani.
Jai Utkal Janani. Jai Odisha also. Okay, right then, all the best. I'm stopping recording. And so in the next class, before that, you should keep your topics. Now you must have understood how to select the topics, right? The topic titles nicely, so that half an hour class and half an hour finalizing the topic. This is the last but one class in 2020. And by that last class, we will finalize your assignment topics before entering into 2021. In spite of any COVID-19, whatever, right? Underground mining engineers or coal mining engineers specifically have that much of dare and guts, I should say, right? To take care of any situation